This is an electronic kettle. This is a kettle body. This is a kettle base. First, take out the kettle body. Press open the lid. Turn on the tap to fill the water into the kettle. Turn off the tap. Close the lid. Place the kettle to its base. Plug the cord into the socket. Press the button to turn it on. Now, wait for the water to boil. The kettle will switch off automatically when the water is boiling. This is a pack of instant noodles. Tear open. Take out the noodles. Take out the noodles and put them in a heat-set bowl. These are seasonings. Add all of them in a bowl. Pour the boiling water into a bowl. Make sure the water completely covers the noodles. Cover the bowl by a plate and wait for about 3 minutes. Remove the cover. Stir the noodles well. And the noodles are ready to eat. Now enjoy!